and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this vibrating beams of light text effect on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to type in the word light, and I'm also going to change the font here as well. Let's see, which one do I want to use for this? This one looks cool. Make it a little bit bolder, you don't have to. I'm just going to right click on the text, create compound clip, go to effects, and you're going to type in vibrating beams of light. Maybe just vibrating beams, it'll show. You're going to select this. It is a pro effect. You're going to select it and you're going to place it to the video. I place it inside of the video. If you go to video here and go to effects, you can edit it. You can change the color of your choosing here. I like the color pink, so I'm just going to do this one. You can also select the glow. Just going to adjust it a little bit. And you can also adjust the strength here, the speed as well. This will make it a little bit faster. This will make it slower. And you can change the vertical and stuff like that. I'm just going to adjust the strength a little bit more. But that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.